Having trouble with Amazon Alexa freezing or lagging on your iPhone? This often happens because of slow Wi-Fi, too much memory being used, or outdated software. In this video, I'll show you simple steps to fix Alexa's lagging problems on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. Before we start, make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. If your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection, your Bluetooth is turned on. After that, try to follow the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Offload Amazon Alexa. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap General. Now tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the Alexa app. Tap on it. Now tap on Offload. Again, tap Offload. Now tap Reinstall app. Solution 2. Turn on Background app refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background app refresh. Again, tap on Background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the Alexa app. Make sure to toggle it on. Then go to the Alexa app and try to open it again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Update the Alexa app. Go to the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the below. Type Alexa. Now find the Alexa app and tap on it. If you see update option available there, then update the app. That's how you can fix Alexa's lagging problems on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you out. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you want more tips. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.